Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x square minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 whole square and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x square minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 whole square. So x square minus 1 we can write it as 1 square is equals to x minus 1 whole square. So here we are going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equals to x minus 1 whole square. So x plus 1 times x minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Now I can take x minus 1 as common. So x plus 1 minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x minus 1. Here x plus 1 minus x minus minus plus 1 is equals to 0. So we can cancel out this positive x with negative x. So x minus 1 times 2 is equals to 0. So it becomes 2x minus 2 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 by 2. So the value of x is 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.